One day, a boy named Mike decided to learn how to cook. He wanted to make a surprise dinner for his family. Mike had never cooked before. He was a little scared, but very excited. First, Mike chose a recipe. He decided to make spaghetti because it was his favorite food. He read the recipe carefully. It said he needed spaghetti, tomatoes, onions, and some spices. Mike went to the store and bought everything he needed. At home, he started to cook. First, he boiled water for the spaghetti. He watched the pot until the water started to bubble. Then, he added the spaghetti. Next, Mike chopped the tomatoes and onions. It was hard. His eyes watered from the onions, and he laughed. Mike cooked the tomatoes and onions in a pan. He added the spices. It smelled good. Mike mixed the spaghetti and the sauce. He tasted it. It was delicious. Mike was happy and proud. He set the table and called his family to eat. His family was surprised. They did not know Mike could cook. They tasted the spaghetti. They loved it. They said, "Mike, this is amazing. You are a great cook." Mike felt so happy. His first time cooking was a success. He wanted to learn more recipes and cook more dinners for his family.
What dish did Mike decide to cook for his family? What ingredients did Mike need for his spaghetti recipe? How did Mike's family react to the dinner he made?